Welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to edit your Instagram highlights cover in just a few simple steps, updated for 2025. Whether you want to refresh your profile's look, match your branding, or just add a personal touch, changing your highlight cover is quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to update. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, look for the highlight you want to update. Your highlights are those little circles right below your bio. Tap on the highlight you want to edit. This will open up all the stories saved in that highlight. Next, look for the three dots. These are usually in the bottom right corner if you're on Android, or the top right corner if you're on iPhone. Tap on the three dots, and from the menu that pops up, select Edit Highlight. You'll now see a screen where you can change the name of your highlight, add or remove stories, and most importantly, edit the cover. Tap on Edit Cover. This will bring up your current cover image, and you'll see options to choose a new one. You can pick a new cover from your existing stories, or tap the photo icon to upload an image directly from your camera roll. Once you've selected the image you want, you can adjust and crop it to fit perfectly. When you're happy with how it looks, tap Done. You might need to tap Done again to confirm and save all your changes. And that's it. Your Instagram highlight now has a fresh new cover, and your profile will look even more polished and inviting. Don't forget, you can repeat these steps for any other highlights you want to update. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Instagram tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.